This video is dedicated to the ionic fixation of water-sensitive dyes on paper. It explains how it works, what materials are required, and how it is carried out. Water-sensitive dyes may be present on objects, for example in the form of inks or stamps. Dyes are organic, water-soluble compounds that may be present in anionic or cationic form. The formation of water-resistant dye-fixative complexes is achieved through the application of a fixing agent with opposite charges. This means that a positively charged fixing agent must be applied to a negatively charged dye, and vice versa. A negatively charged fixing agent must be applied to a positively charged dye. Mesitol, NBS, is used as the anionic fixing agent, and Revin, EL, as the cationic fixing agent. A suspension of both fixing agents is suitable for objects with anionic and cationic dyes. It is important to ensure that there is an excess of the cationic component in the suspension. As a result, the fixation of cationic dyes with the suspension is not as successful as with mesitol alone. To produce the fixing agents you need Revin or mesitol, demineralized water, a petri dish, a beaker, a spatula, a pipette, a weighing scale, and a magnetic stirrer. The demineralized water and the fixing agent are weighed. The mesitol solution is prepared at 3%. The Revin solution at 3.5%. The suspension of the two fixing agents is made up of 1.2% mesitol and 6% Revin. Once weighed, the fixing agent is added to the demineralized water while stirring until it has fully dissolved. A preliminary microscopic examination can be carried out to find out which fixing agent is required. In this case, Revin and mesitol are applied to the color media with a thin brush. The fixing agent in which the color medium does not bleed out can be used for fixing. If only a few areas need to be fixed, local application of the fixing agent on the suction table is suitable. The object is placed on a polyester fleece on the suction table. The fixing agent is applied to the colorant with a thin brush. Excess fixing agent is removed using a blotting paper. The process is repeated several times. Thoroughly rinsing out the fixing agent is important, since otherwise stains may form. The complexes formed break down after a bath treatment lasting 1 hour, which is why the treatment time is limited. After fixing, the object is therefore soaked directly in demineralized water for 3 to 4 minutes. This is followed by another bath for 3 to 4 minutes, this time in enriched water. The object is weighed down and dried between polyester fleece and blotting paper. The surface treatment is suitable for objects that are heavily inscribed or large quantities of objects. However, it harbors the risk that undesirable discolorations, such as tide lines, are also fixed, since they can form complexes with the fixing agents. With Revin and Mesitol, the bath lasts 2 minutes. With the suspension, the object should remain in the bath for 15 minutes. The fixing agent must then be thoroughly washed out with demineralized water. This requires a water bath of at least 15 minutes, but preferably a 30-minute bath with a change of water in between. After the baths, weighted drying takes place. Water-sensitive objects can be treated using aqueous solutions thanks to ionic fixation. A test is carried out in advance in order to find the right fixing agent. The fixing agent must then be thoroughly washed out to avoid the formation of stains.